Friends, now in this video we'll discuss about how to create custom image overlay charts. These charts are very interesting and will create very easily, and these charts are very helpful in data visualization. For this we need to create 100% stacked column chart. Look at there is the data from A1 to D2. In that there is in the A column raised, goal, remaining, percentage to goal till D column. Now there are two images, a thermometer and thumbs up. So look at there, the thermometer and thumbs up. This thumbs up having thick background. At the same time, look at there is transparency. This thermometer also same, like just right click, bring to front. See, look at there. This thermometer also having thick background. At the same time, it is also having a transparency. Now just I'm taking this kind of images. Now we'll insert 100% stacked column chart for this data. Now I'm selecting from A1 to press Ctrl, then select C1 to C2. Next go to the insert column chart, click on 100% stacked column chart. Place aside, go to design tab, swap x-axis and y-axis. Look at there. Now this time just will remove this chart title. I don't want this y-axis, also delete it. And this percentages in the y-axis also, if you are doing any changes in the raised or remaining, automatically it will increase or decrease. I don't want like that. Just I wanted to fix it. It should be like a constant. Just right click, format axis, go to there, just you can type 0 to 1. Now it is going to be fixed. If you are doing any changes here, it will not reflect automatically. It won't change. It will be fixed from 0 to 100%. Now just select this remaining only. Right click, format data series. Go to the fill inline. Just click on no fill and no outline. Look at there. Just we got only this one. Again select this raised. Go to the solid fill. Select dark red color. Look at there. Now just we'll reduce the width. We'll place here. Look at there. Exactly, just I need till 0 to 100%. Now we'll place here. I don't want this y-axis also, select this, delete it. Now just we'll reduce this. Look at there. So how you want, just select this one, this chart, right click, send it to back. Look at that. Select the stacked column chart and fill in line, then say no line. Look at that. We need to fill this one also with the same color. Before that, just place this one to a side and select this, copy and paste. Just I'm taking a duplicate copy for that. Next drag this. Now go to the insert tab, illustrations, shapes, select oval, then drag it. Shift and drag it. Now go to the fill, solid fill. For this also will fill with dark red and no line. Just place here inside this exactly. Look at there. Now it got fixed in this. If you are doing any changes in the raised or else remaining, automatically it will reflect. For example, there is 6,000. Instead of that, we'll give 2,500. Look at that. We got up to 25% only, 5,000, 50%. 7,500, 75%. It is changing directly, automatically if you are doing any changes here. Now same thing we'll do for this thumbs up also. See friends, this time just I'm going to fill with different color. Go to fill and line, solid fill. This time just I'm selecting light green color. Now I don't want these lines also. Just go to there, no line. Now select this. Just will increase this. Look at there, how much we want, will increase that much, and just place here. This one also, just right click, say send it to back. Look at there. So here also exactly just we'll take 100%. Locate there. Just exactly we'll fix this. Locate there. So just it got filled in that one. Now this time just go to the raised value 10,000. See, we got completely filled inside the thumbs up. Now value 2,000, 5,000. Look at there, both are changing automatically. So if you are doing any changes, the values are changing here automatically in this thermometer as well as in the thumbs up. Also the values are going to change. So now just we are placing exactly here. So this two cluster column chart with 100%, how it is exactly, how much you want exactly. Just go to the raised, you can change the values automatically. In this two, the clustered column chart is going to change. Friends, this is the way to create custom image overlay charts in Excel 2019. Thank you.